Hi everyone, today I'm going to review and unbox this new toy that I've got from Banggood. It's called the Rampage from Hayboxing. I'm not really familiar with this company. Let's take a look real quick what the box says. Well, 1/18 scale, 4-wheel drive, 2.4 gigahertz, that's pretty standard. It doesn't say on the box what's the max speed is gonna be. Let's open the box and check what's inside. So we got the bunch of stickers, instruction manual, which is in English, the car itself, here it is. I guess this is the USB charger, some clips for the chassis, these are the spare ones, the controller, that's kind of interesting looking controller. Okay, so this is everything that comes in the package. Oh yeah, nice. So we can attach the stickers later here. And the chassis is pretty big and it's quite heavy. This is a brushed motor. It says it's 380. I'm not sure what 380 means. I would have preferred if this would have been brushless, but the suspension feels really nice. Let's see if... And then it comes with this 650 milliamps lithium-ion battery. The remote uses two AAA batteries. These are not included. You have to provide the batteries yourself. There's a blinking light here, so I'm assuming that is waiting for be bound. Alright, I've charged the battery. Should be pretty easy. So this goes here. Okay, I turn on the remote controller first. I don't know if you can see, it's blinking. Then alright. Alright, the suspension feels really nice, very springy. Let's go outside and try it out. Alright, let's try it out. I forgot to do a quick overview of the remote control. It's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. You got your on and off switch right here. You got steering rev. I think it's for inverting the steering. So if you want to invert this is your trim. By default, the speed is on low, but low is, you know, it's good if you are in like indoor or something, but outside you definitely want to switch it to normal. And yeah, let's try it out. Let's go. I don't know if you can see it, but the back suspension, they're kind of low now. I think some mud got stuck into it, so I'm probably gonna have to wash it out, but I'm gonna keep testing and see how it performs. Alright, so that concludes our first stress test in the mud. The car is completely covered in mud and the mud went completely into the suspension. So if I can, it doesn't really, it's not really working. The suspension are completely filled with mud. They barely work. So I'm gonna have to clean this up, wash it, and see if I can free the suspension, because at the moment basically they are completely unusable. It performed quite well. It's decently powerful. It can go muddy terrain, and it can do a little bit of rock climbing. It has a little bit of problem with the tall grass, but that's to be expected. We're talking about a brush motor. I'm gonna clean this up and I'm gonna give it another shot in a different area and see how that goes. All right, I washed it off for the most part. Seems like the suspensions are fine now. There's the chassis. I washed it off. Should be okay. I'm gonna let this guy dry and then I'm gonna give it another shot. All right, clean it up. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so there you have it. This was my review for the Rampage. It's an amazing little off-road climber. The frame is very robust. It has like this nice shock absorbent suspensions. It's very easy to handle, no problem, even at high speed. The battery lasted for, I would say, probably 20 minutes. The inside is very nice, splash resistant, and even the mud didn't cause any problem to the electronics. The tires are very grippy, no problem whatsoever with that. It's very good over mud, grass, of course tarmac is no problem. The controller also has a very nice range. I was able to go for about 50 meters without any problems. On top of everything, it's only about 50 bucks. I believe it's at the moment is $53. So it's definitely a must-have. Go and grab one. It's good for adult, it's good for kids. It's good if you want to do like a nice gift. This is definitely an awesome product. Absolutely recommended, and it gets my thumbs up. Thanks again to Banggood for sending me this awesome product. I really enjoy it. Please leave a like, subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you guys for the next video. See ya!